Technology has made it easier to discover and innovate, bringing new ideas to market faster, creating new and improved ways to work, and inspiring intelligent and connected workplaces. Manufacturers use OpenText technology to enable safer environments, improved communications, and products and services that do good. Diagnosing and identifying components requiring replacement or repair on breaking systems before they fail to prevent future accidents and breakdowns to protect the lives of employees and customers. Offering peace of mind by providing an advisor to assist with navigation, emergencies, and diagnostics to ensure customers are never alone on the road. Providing a high-touch, personalized experience for members, and creating a single digital member identity to reduce complexity, increase security, and streamline the digital experience. Because when technology transforms business and inspires new processes, then companies and their customers win.